Samagr Sharma from Caffeine to Code, and we are doing the Haskell 100 problem challenge. So this is just an installation video. So Haskell is not shipped with your operating systems in general. So yeah, let's see how do we install Haskell. So if you go to this link, which I will include in the description, then you'll find the information for all operating systems. I'm using macOS, so I'll be following these instructions. I've actually already installed. I will just go through so you don't have to look again and again for them. Just open your terminal and it says that the recommended way to install the components of the Mac platform is using ghcub to install ghc and cable install and following the instruction as at haskellstack.org to install stack. So what I'll do is I'll go to ghcub and first I will install ghc. So yeah, it's a simple command. I'll just copy this command and run it here. And yeah, it will take a couple of seconds. I've already installed it, so I'll stop the command, but you have to allow it to run. And then I'll go to this haskellstack.org to install stack. So basically, for most Unix operating systems, the easiest way to install is to run this command. So I'll copy this command and where's my terminal? Yep. So yeah, I'll paste it here and then it will also run, and then you just stop and to check if the installation worked or not. Just start as stack ghci. So yeah, it worked. And this is actually an REPL, which is the read eval print loop. Actually, I should increase the size of my terminal. Yep. So this is basically a read eval print loop, so you can run commands here, programs here. Basically it is just like the it doesn't work. Maybe with double quotes it will work. It's not Python. Yeah, it worked. And yeah, so that's how you install Haskell. So let's head on to solve some problems using our Haskell installation. Let's get started.